Hi guys, it's your girl Chris. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing with you everything that I got from Ulta. I haven't opened it yet. It did come a little beat up from the mail. Jesus, there's holes everywhere. But hopefully everything's good inside because that's going to be disappointing. But I guess we'll find out together. Before I bust this open, we'll see what I got from Ulta. If you haven't already, totally up to you. You can click the subscribe button and the bell button so you know when I come out with more videos. Okay, let's do this. Oh. Plastic. Receipts. Don't want to look at that. Don't want to remember how much I spent. Ooh, okay, so the first thing, yes. So Ulta had like a promotion. I mean, Ulta always has a promotion going on. But if you had spent over, I think $70 or $75, you got like a whole thing of free samples and a bag. So I'm going to open this up a little later. I want to continue to just take out everything and then we'll go through everything. Yeah, okay. Oh, yes! I've been dying to get this. This is the Burn Book by Storybook Cosmetics. It looks like this. Very nice. It has a very big mirror that folds all the way back. Lovely. Here are the shadows. Ugh, such a pretty palette. I have the Storybook Cosmetics Charlie and the Chocolate Factory palette, and that one's amazing. So happy that this is here. So happy. Next, I got the Mario. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce his last name, but I got the Acne Facial Cleanser because, as most of you guys know, I suffer from acne. So this is what it looks like. It says it deep cleans, it makes congested skin feel exceptionally clean. It says it helps break down impurities and encourages a balanced, healthy looking complexion. Okay, well, I can't wait to try this. I'll let you guys know what I think about this in the comment section. I'm of course going to use it daily so that I can give you an honest opinion on it, not just use it once and then tell you. So look out in the comment section about this bad boy. Let's continue. Next up, oh, I'm so happy I got this. I don't know why it took me forever to get this, but this is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This I've heard nothing but amazing things about, but apparently you just take some, you put it on your face, and you rinse it off, and the makeup is supposed to just vanish. Okay, what else we have here? Okay, where's the other one? Yay! So Jordan Woods came out with a collab with Allure, so I was really excited because, as I said before on this channel, I really like her. So I got Summer Air, and they look like these. And then I got Beach Please, and they look like these. I especially like the way Summer Air looks, and I cannot wait to try this. They both come with adhesive, so that's always a plus. Okay, next up I got the ColourPop Concealer. So I tried the ColourPop Concealer before, but it was not my shade. I don't think I ever recorded that. No, I think I did the ColourPop Foundation. So I got the concealer, and I think I got my right shade. I hope I did, because it's so frustrating shopping online for shades. It can be such a headache, but I have a good feeling about this one. Really good feeling about this one. I'll let you guys know if I got my shade match and my thoughts on this down below in the comments, and yeah. Oh, yay! Alright, next up is 3 of the Flower Beauty Petal Pout Lip Mask. So this just came out, and I wanted to try these. So I got it in 3 different shades. I got it in Lucky, Nectar, and Pucker. This is Lucky, Nectar, and Pucker. I'm going to do a separate video for these. I can't wait to try these. This is the first thing that I own from Flower Beauty, and I just thought it was really cool to see a lip mask with a tint. So I'm going to give more information when I do a review on these, but really excited to try these. Okay, next I got another Duo Lash Adhesive because, Lord, can't have too much of these. I got the white clear one. This one has a brush, so it is easier to put on versus like one that comes out of a tube, which I actually have. Hold on. So this one's more of a tube. It might be just a little bit harder to get a very thin layer of adhesive. So the brush one is easier. I actually didn't purposely get the brush one. I just wanted a white clear one. I'm not mad at it. So adhesive is adhesive. It'll work. Okay, next one up is the Jumbo Eye Pencil by NYX. I got it in white because I recently ran out of one of my favorite white eyeliners by Italia Deluxe. Really happy I got this. I think it's a pretty good replacement for Italia Deluxe, although I am going to buy more of the Italia Deluxe ones. They're so good. Alright, next up is... Why is this opened? Weird. Okay, I got the Cake My Day by I Do Care. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a video on this, but I really am excited about this. It is a face mask. This is the box. Oh, this is cute. It looks like a little pint of ice cream. This is the packaging of it. If I don't do a video on this, then I will, of course, update you guys down below, like the other stuff as well. Okay, ¿qué más? We have, oh yes, I'm so excited to try this. This is the Revlon Instant Cheek Maker. This is the highlighter and blush combo. So this is from their newer line. I think they've come out with these before, but this is the newer one. Okay, she's nice. She's cute. Nice little reflective moment up here like a mirror. Oof. Oh, okay. This is how she looks. There is like a little turn thing here to like bring it up, I'm guessing. There we go. Now you guys can get a better look at it. I'll use this as well, and of course, let you guys know what I think about it. What else? Ha! I needed to get this a long time ago. It is a selfie ring light from e.l.f. I don't own a selfie ring light. I mean, I did, but it broke. It was like a cheap one I got from Amazon. So, okay. This is the e.l.f. one. I'm guessing I have to pull out the tab. Alright. Oh. You guys see that? How cool is that? Oh, that's even brighter. Okay. And that's the brightest. I don't know if you guys... Whoa! Whoa, that's really bright. I'm excited to use this for looks. Let me actually see how it looks over my phone. Oh, lovely. Look how effortlessly it fits on my phone. Like, boom, right there. Wow. Yeah, totally worth it. I don't even remember how much it costs. I don't think it's more than $12. One more thing, and it's the one I'm probably most excited for. The new Tarte Face Tape Foundation. So I know Tarte made a big mistake before by like coming out foundation and not being as inclusive, but they finally came out with 50 shades of this, and I'm so happy that they did. This is what it looks like. I got it in shade 38N. I think it's medium tan neutral. I hope I got the right shade. I think I did. Again, it's really hard to shop for foundation online, but I think I did, and I'm really excited to try this one. Let me know if you guys want a review on this down below, like a whole separate review. Let me know down below, because I will do it. I might just do it. I'm not sure. Regardless, I will give you guys my thoughts on this very soon. Alright guys, well that's it. Nothing more. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up this bad boy, which I got for free. Let's take out the bag first. Oh wow, this feels so nice. It's so velvety. Ooh, she's cute. Nice little moments. Nice zipper. Nice on the inside. And it costs $3.99. We got a ton of samples. I got the Tarte High Performance Neutral Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation sample. I can barely read what this says. Frederick Conditioner and Shampoo for the hair. I got 3 of the Kate Somerville Wrinkle Warriors. It's like a serum, I'm guessing, for the eyes. Got 3 of them. The Bumble and Bumble Hairdressers Invisible Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. Boom. From IT Cosmetics, I got the Confidence in an Eye Cream Brightens, Repairs, and Transform Serum. Alright, next I got some little testers for perfume. I'm gonna act like I could say that, but it looks like this. I got Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I got a Sexy Hair Hot Sexy Hair Protect Me hairspray, just like that. The Matrix Total Results Keep Me Vivid shampoo. I got a little Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I actually use this quite often. Got a little mini one to go, I guess. I got a Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Nightcap Overnight Protector. Apply to damp or dry hair before bed. Never tried something like this at all from like any brand, but it looks like this. Really, really curious about that. The Style and Protect Pureology Wind Toss Texture Finishing Spray. Again, for the hair. Now, I'll be honest, I don't use hairspray in my hair. If you guys watched the hair routine video that I did, if not, I'll put it right here. It's going to pop up above. I don't use hairspray, so I don't think I'm gonna use this. I might just give it to my sister, one of my friends, something like that. Okay, I got the conditioner to the shampoo that I mentioned earlier from Vivid, what is it? Matrix. Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 Hemp Citrus Pure Castle Soap made with organic oils. Got some too. Nice. I got the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Setting Spray. Little sample. Ooh, yes, Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. I feel like every time I see my sister, she's looking for a clear brow gel. Next time I see you, Grace, I'll have this in my bag just in case you're like, do you have a clear brow gel? Gotcha this time. Okay, next is from Ulta Beauty. It is a sugared vanilla moisturizing body lotion. Looks like this. I never say this right, but it is a revitalizing black hydration gel, and we're definitely gonna be trying this for the skin. Look right there. This is called Blue Rescue Clay Renewal Mask. It looks like this. This one's from La Roche-Posay. I've actually tried this company before and I do like their products. It's supposed to give your skin some hydration. From Maybelline Lasting Drama Water Gel Pencil. This is what it looks like. Black pencil. Can never have enough of these, so that's always a plus. Okay, we have the Garnier Skin Active Glow Boost Illuminating Moisturizer in Apricot. I don't know who this is, but it's a Midnight Recovery Oil. Not sure what this is supposed to do. This is what it looks like. I'm guessing you can put it on in the nighttime. Okay, we finally reached to the end of this. This is a Banished Dry Skin from Ulta Beauty. Little sample. Okay, two more. Oh, yes. This is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. Two of them come in here. I don't know what this is called. Oh, that smells so pretty. It smells really soft, almost like a flower bed. Very nice indeed. Honestly, you guys, I love to get samples. It's a great way to try a new company, try new products without spending so much money. So I feel like this is almost like the highlight of everything that I got. This is such a nice bag. Nice and hefty. All the samples are in here. Quite a lot of samples. Alright guys, well that's it. That's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the little mini Ulta haul that I got. Let me know your thoughts on anything you saw there. Let me know if you want a review on anything you saw there. And of course, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.